Hello viewer, today I am going to show you how to set up ASP.NET Core development environment in Linux. I am using Ubuntu 18 version. So first we need to go ASP.NET Core website. Here we found download button. Click here, and because I am going to install in Linux, so I have to choose Linux and Linux.NET Core. Yes, install .NET Core. It takes me in a document page. From this page, we're going to check what is about, because I'm using Ubuntu 18.4, so an x64 version. So I'm going to take this one, this document. Okay. First, what I do, I add Microsoft repository key and feed. To add Microsoft repository key and feed, I need to copy this line up to here. So I can click here, copy, so it can copy all. Copy. Now I have to open terminal. Open terminal and paste it here. Now it's asking for me a password. Now I have to update my package. I can go here. I want SDK because I'm a developer, so I need SDK, not only runtime. Let me copy this section, copy here. If I copy here, click copy, then it copies all line. Okay, now I go back to terminal again, paste, so it start. Actually what it will take time, so let me tell you some story why I think to do it. I have a virtual server, online virtual server, but that server I every month, here he is asking about some continue. Yes, I have to give continue, press Y, enter. So every month I have to pay around $65 for that virtual server, and it is a Windows virtual server, and it actually cost me more than if I can use Linux server, because Linux server at least I can save $20. What I mean, if I use virtual machine with Windows, it is more costly than virtual machine with Linux operating system. So if I can save $20 every month, it's actually helpful. It's not a big money, but at least I feel it's good. All the softwares I'm developing now using ASP.NET Core, and ASP team give me a good chance to deploy my application in Linux. If it is success, I can host it my virtual machine with Linux, not Windows. So I can save my $20. That's the whole plan. I finished the installation. Now we can check. So first we check .NET console application. .NET new console. So now we can check if these things are doing good. Next time I'm not going to host any of my application in Windows virtual machine. So I can save money. Because you know Windows are not free. Actually you have to pay a license fee for Windows. But Linux I can use it freely and it's cheaper. So why not I try ASP.NET Core in Linux. So now I can check .NET run. Yes! Hello world! So my ASP.NET Core is perfectly running Linux environment. And why I didn't go all those other installation, because those are complicated. But we need IDE now. For IDE, what I can do, I can click here and go VS Code download. So click here, and there is a dev version because I'm using Ubuntu. So I have to download the dev version, dev version, and dev 64 version I need to download. And when this question comes, I should choose software install. Open with software install. So okay. Now downloading is going on. Actually, developing ASP.NET Core in Linux can save money. I'm using Hostwind. They are very good. I'll put link on the description so you can try. Hostnet is a very good service. Anything problem happen, I can directly communicate with them and they take it very seriously and they solve my problem. I'm very happy with their service and they are very prompt. Actually, it's a win-win situation. It's asking for should I install? Yes, I need to install. It's asking me password. I put my Linux password. Authenticated. Yes. The installation start. Yes. Now we can check, and I can close all these tabs. Close all tabs. I don't need these things. And now I can bring my code, Visual Studio code here, up here in favorite. Okay, now I can use from here. Yes, great. So it is working, and I need to install one extension here. It's called C#. Yes, this one. If you see the green and white and green, this logo, that means this is the one we need to install. Yes, great. So my installation finished. Let me open another folder in my desktop. Let me create one folder. It's just to make you understand. So what I'm doing, testing. This is a test folder. Test ASP core. ASP core. Create. In this folder, I need to open this folder. Okay. Now I have to go terminal, new terminal. Now I have to write .NET new console, and now I can run it even. So .NET run. Yes, hello world. It's perfectly showing hello world. Also, if I go program files, I can see the .NET file here, ASP.NET Core program file, C# program file. I can write, change this line, C# line to success. Success. Cheers. Now I can save it, and in terminal I can run it again. .NET run. Yes, I successfully installed ASP.NET Core SDK in Linux and prepare my C# environment. So it's a win-win. Cheers. If you like my video, please share my channel and don't forget to click the like button. Also, you can comment if you have any suggestion. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.